welcome back to my channel, and today I have a little DIY for you. It is going to be either a Tuscan or Farmhouse, either one would fit nicely. Little project. So let me show you what you'll need in case you want to make it. I've never really tried to do decoupage napkins onto this floral foam before, but that's what I'm going to try to do, and then I'm going to put some flowers in it. But this is just from Dollar Tree. It's the floral foam. And so you'll need one of those. And then you'll need some napkins of your choice. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna use these that in my vlog the other day that I put up when I went in Dollar Tree, I bought these. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna use those, but you can use whatever napkins you want. I also have these napkins that I made orbs from, and I got these I think maybe at Tuesday mornings, or I don't really know, but they were $1.49 and I've had them a long time. So I really don't know, I either got them there or Party City. It's hard to tell really. I may have even got these at TJ Maxx. I really don't know. So and I'll link where I made my orbs down below so you can take a look at that. So you can just get you some napkins, whatever you want. And you'll need some Mod Podge. I just have this, it's matte. I got this at Walmart a long time ago. Then you're gonna need some cling wrap of your choice, whatever kind you wanna use, a foam brush. Now I'm pretty sure that this is what I'm gonna stick down in this after I make my container. It's just this baby's breath from Dollar Tree, and I think it's really pretty. I have 3 bunches of that. And then I have some of these little stones from Dollar Tree. And I love all those earthy colors. And you may need some jute. And you're gonna need scissors and a ruler. Other than that, this is so simple. You really don't need much. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is cut my tags off of everything, and then I'll be right back. Okay, the first thing you wanna do, I went ahead and took my plastic off of here. And then what you want to do, because this will wrap all the way around this except for the very back, and I'll just piece that. But I didn't want it to come underneath it, so I just sat this right here on top, took my scissors, and made a little snip. I put my ruler down on the rest of my napkin so it couldn't move, and I made a little snip. Then all I did was just cut that very slow across. Then you have, I had some, I think it was like a 1-ply napkin, so I took, or a 2-ply, whatever that means when it has one extra ply behind it. I just took mine off. It's right here, as you can see. You just take that off the back of the napkin and find out where you want it, and then we're ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and start this, and then get you some saran wrap, because this will help you from tearing the napkin as you're trying to decoupage. Okay, like I said, I haven't done this on anything like this. I hope it doesn't just soak it up, but we're about to see. So what I'm gonna do is just take this. I know you can't paint this stuff, and we're just going to put this on here, and hopefully it's not going to just soak up and go into nothing. Okay, and then we're going to put some on the sides. Get it on there really good. Hope you can see. Get it on there really good and thick. I need some more on this front because I want this to work. And make sure you get it on your corners. Okay. Then what we're gonna do is just take our napkin and lay this right down where you want it. And then we're just gonna press and smooth this out as we go. We're just going to lift and pull and smooth napkin out. So far, it seems to be working. Okay, I'm gonna leave this open in the back. Then I'm gonna take this and just put this right on here really good. Like I said, because you want it to adhere. Okay, then we're just gonna take this and we're gonna put this little piece that we had to sort of make fit because it didn't quite go. And we're just gonna lay that right there and smooth it out. Then we're just gonna take a little bit of this and add this right here on these edges over this napkin and be really gentle. And I don't really care if I get wrinkles because you know how I love things to look old. Okay, just pull taut again and put it right there. Okay, so far this is working, so I'm so happy, okay? And what I'm gonna do is just put a little bit of this Mod Podge over this to kind of give it a little bit of a sheen, and I'm being very gentle with this because I don't want to tear my napkins. I think it's gonna look really old and it's gonna give us a really nice look. Okay, so I'm just gonna take this and just sort of lightly press down on it. And like I said, I don't care if it starts to get like bubbles in it because that will make it look like it's old. Okay, now all I have to do is just set this aside and let this dry, and then we'll come back and we'll take care of the inside. I'll be back when it's dry. Okay, I took it into the bathroom and I got my hair dryer and I set it on cool and low, and I just held it out from it and kept drying it. And it's pretty dry. I mean, it's still a little moist, so I don't want to touch it a lot, but this is what we have. I think it is gorgeous. You would never know if you would see that out that is just some floral foam with a napkin on it. So I'm also gonna set it on here because I don't wanna get anything on my counter. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is just cut these flowers off and just start sticking them in here. I think this is gonna be adorable. So let's just see. I wanna have just a little bouquet of really pretty baby's breath. But if you would see this like at TJ Maxx or anywhere, it would cost a lot. I'm going to need to be really, really careful when I touch this because, like I said, it's still a little tacky and I don't want to rip it. But I got impatient. I was like, oh, I want it. But you could make this to match any decor. I just think it's really fresh and summery and spring-like, and it just looks, I mean, it would fit with any, like I said, Tuscan or Farmhouse or just regular decor. I mean, it really, I think, would look gorgeous. It doesn't really matter what your decor is. You can get your napkins get the kind that you want. And I only use 3 stems of this baby's breath, so I like that it doesn't use a lot of flowers. And I got the rocks in case you could see the top down in here, but I don't think I'm going to even need them. I love it. I think it's so cute. Okay, where do I want to put you? I think I'm going to put you right here. Okay, here is what we have, and I think it is adorable. It looks so pretty. You could put any flowers in there that you wanted. Mine's really not going to be seen from the back, but if it was, I would fill in that corner. But like I said, it's a little tacky, so I want to be really careful with it. But I think this turned out beautiful. So I'm going to put it somewhere in my house, and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like. Okay, for right now, I think I'm just going to set it in my window, and I may make another one to go on the other side. I'm sorry the lighting is just so bad because there's so much bright light coming in there, but you can see it really looks pretty, and it looks like it would cost a lot of money. I really do love it. Let me see if I can try to get it to where you can actually, it's hard to see. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.